scientists attempt to explain it through neurological processes in the brain. However, there is still no definitive theory that fully explains the nature of consciousness. Now, have you ever considered this possibility? If an artificial intelligence one day claimed to be conscious, would we believe it? Do you think consciousness is exclusive to biological beings? Share your thoughts in the comments. Scientists have been studying consciousness for many years. Modern neuroscience suggests that consciousness emerges from neural connections in the brain. But a great mystery remains. How do these electrical signals in the brain transform into inner experience? David Chalmers calls this the hard problem of consciousness. Understanding how consciousness arises seems impossible through brain scans alone. We can observe which neurons are active, but we still don't know how this translates into subjective experience. Even more intriguingly, some scientists believe that what we call consciousness is just an illusion. So, do you actually exist? This idea may feel unsettling, right? If you truly exist, can you prove it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's go even deeper. If consciousness is not merely a product of physical processes, what else could it be? Have you heard of the simulation theory? Some scientists suggest that our universe might be a simulation created by an advanced civilization. If that's the case, could what we call consciousness be nothing more than a programmed algorithm? Another theory is panpsychism. According to this idea, everything in the universe possesses some level of consciousness. Could it be that even rocks, trees, and atoms are conscious in some way? Do you think this is possible? Moreover, some mystical teachings and Eastern philosophies define consciousness as a universal energy. In Buddhism, consciousness is linked to the illusion of self, while Advaita Vedanta philosophy suggests that all existence is a manifestation of a single consciousness. Consciousness is also a topic in modern physics. The relationship between quantum mechanics and consciousness is debated through theories like the observer effect. You've probably heard of Schrödinger's cat experiment. If reality cannot be determined without a conscious observer, does that mean consciousness is a fundamental component of the universe? Do we need an observer for existence itself? While pondering consciousness, we must also look toward the future. Artificial intelligence raises the question of whether machines can ever become conscious. Today, some advanced AI models are highly sophisticated in language processing and problem solving. But what if one day they truly become self-aware? Would we consider them conscious? For example, discussions about Google's LaMDA AI model have made us question what we would do if an AI claimed to be conscious. If a machine truly begins to think and feel, should we grant it the same rights as humans? Let's take this even further. If human consciousness could one day be fully transferred to a digital environment, would we still be us? Is consciousness tied to our physical bodies, or is it just a flow of data? Share your thoughts in the comments. It is difficult to find a definitive answer to the question of consciousness, but asking these questions already expands our awareness. Now, it's your turn. How did you define consciousness before watching this video? Has your perspective changed now? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss them together. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mysterious topics. There is much more to explore on Velaris Nexus. See you in the next mystery.